Hi guys, it's the guys here for Dashcam Man. We've just installed Autowatch Ghost in this BMW M3. You can see that the keys are lying there, and what will happen is when we try and start this car, will start as normal. You can see the gear selector is in neutral there, and you can see the P there for park. And what will happen now is if I move this gear selector into drive, you'll see the car just cut off there. It basically it refuses to start. So at this point here, what we can do is try and start it again. Clicked it again, and nothing is happening. And nothing's going to happen until we put in our PIN code. Let's me stuck it in there. You'll get two flashes of this bulb here on the left there, and that's it started now. Now if I stick it into D, you see that it's retained drive, and you can see that it's went into drive there. And now I can actually drive the vehicle forward and proceed with my journey. That is the Autowatch Ghost. Give us a shout if you're looking to have something similar installed in one of your vehicles. Thank you.